Okay, next up, given the formula volume is equal to length by width by height, how do I go about finding the height if I'm given the volume, width, and length is what the question is asking. So let's just draw a little diagram so you can visibly understand that question. And so typically you would be given the length, width, and height, and then you'd multiply them to get my volume. But this question is saying that, as an example, let's say I only decide to give you 2 and the volume, and so I tell you the length of this box is 3, the width is 2, but I don't know the height, but I know that the volume is 12. How do I go about finding the height? And this is quite easy. You can see that if I have a volume of 12, just one moment. Sorry about that. Okay, and so continuing from there, so if I'm told the volume is 12, the length and the width are 3 and 2, how can I go about finding the height? I am saying that 12 is equal to 3 by 2 by something. And if you just know simple math, you can tell that 12, 3 by 2 is 6, so 12 is equal to 6 by something. And that something is going to be 2, obviously, but I got that from the fact that something will be equal to 12 over 6 if I divide out the 6 on both sides. So 2 is equal to the something. And so if we just generalize this result and have that the volume is equal to the length by the width by the height, in this case I grouped the length and the width and then divided it out on both sides. That way I can cancel to isolate out the h and get that the height is equal to the volume divided by the length by the width. And that's going to be it for this question.